This 2024 Newmar Kountry Star 4068 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features a Brunswick Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Hardwood-MF interior, Sleeps 5, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, external shower, LP detector, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, TV, self-contained, slide-out, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Kountry Star 4068 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins 6.7L 360 HP engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.